Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Din Dui Quang. In this video, I will be addressing the topic of bundles, which means the package in the diagram. A student recently asked why, in their specific diagram, the bundle section is shown as a number rather than as plain text. So you should go into the options section. You will go to preferences. On this panel, if you see it displayed as numbers and you want to switch it to letters, you need to click on the alphabet bundle name option. Tick this box and click Apply. Right away, you'll see that our bundles are now displayed as the letters A, B, C, and D. And to address your other question, you asked why this bundle doesn't have a visual symmetry indicator, meaning that when you work on the back part later, the symmetric side doesn't have the O symbol, so you can easily tell which side is the main one and which is the symmetric side. If you encounter such a case, you should check this box for me, orientation next to bundle number. Check here and then click Apply. Immediately, the symmetric part will have the Ka symbol after the bundle, and after you make this selection, click Apply and then OK to save it. And another question someone asked is, after making that selection, if the bundle or the bundle name doesn't appear when printing, you should click on the View section. Please navigate over to the Display Attributes menu, and then within the PIT section, carefully select the option labeled Description for Plotting for Me. Check the bundle option for me. Click OK, and only then should you send the print command. OK. Only then will the printer print exactly according to your requirements. If you find my sharing in this video helpful, please subscribe to support Din Dui Quang's channel. Alright, goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.